Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. I hope everyone had a great weekend. Okay, so we're going to have a foundations test on Thursday. So today and on Wednesday, we'll keep practicing sort of like a dictation, hearing sounds and writing them, hearing words and writing them, and we'll do a sentence. So remember, you should watch the video that's attached that reviews the vowel sounds first before watching this video. Then we can look at our markup review. So number 1, we underline the word, the vowel, consonant, E word. Number 2, we write V-E. Number 3, we put the mark above the vowel that looks like a minus sign. That tells it's a long sound. Number 3, we cross out the E to show that the E is silent. Okay, so I'm going to say a sound and then we're going to write it. So you can get your notebook and practice in your notebook, or you can practice with your finger on the table, whatever you like. Okay, here is the sound. A. Say it. A. Now, who remembers how I showed you to write the sound A? It's different. You can't just write a letter A. Remember I showed you last week. We have to write A-E. Okay, number 2, the sound is ah. Say the sound, ah. All right, what letter makes the sound ah? Now for that one, you should have just written the regular letter A, right? Because that's the short sound that we've worked on all year. Okay, number 3, let's do another sound. The sound is U. Say it with me. U. Okay, so what should we be writing for U? That's the long U sound. So we have to write U-E. Okay, next sound is ooh. Say it with me. Ooh. Now, which one of the vowels makes that sound? Remember that the long U makes 2 sounds. It can sound like U and it can sound like ooh. So if you hear U, you need to write U-E. But also if you hear the sound ooh, you need to write U-E. Okay, for example, like in this next word I'm going to tell you. The next word is mule. Say it with me. Mule. Let's tap it. M-U-L. Mule. Okay, I'm going to write it while you try to write it. How do we write mule? Okay, you should have M-U-L-E, mule. Now go ahead and mark it. So I'm going to underline it. I'm going to write V-E. I'm going to make a mark above the letter U. And I'm going to cross out the E. So you should have marked mule. Okay, I'm going to erase my board so I have space. Let's do another one. This time I'm going to do it with a suffix. Here's the word, smiles. Say it with me, smiles. Let's just tap smile, the base word. S-M-I-L, smile. Okay, everybody write smile. And then we can add suffix S to write smiles. So you should have S-M-I-L-E-S for smiles. When we mark it, we can underline smile, put V-E, put the line above the vowel, which is I, and cross out the E. Okay, so that's like marking without the suffix. Lastly, we can just circle the suffix S. That's it. So we just mark it like a regular vowel, consonant, E word, but we just circle the suffix S. Okay, we'll go over more words and we'll do a sentence on Wednesday. But there are sentences on the worksheet that you're going to do today. So I wanted to make sure to review that. The directions say, rewrite each sentence using correct capitalization and punctuation. So first you have to read it. So I'm going to do the first one. The sun shines down on the lake. The sun shines down on the lake. Now look at that word. Does that sentence, does it begin with a capital letter? I don't see one. Let me fix that. So I would write a capital T, the sun, and then I would copy the rest of the sentence. Shines down on the lake. Now remember, the directions said use correct capitalization and punctuation. So I put a capital T for the. What did I add at the end of the sentence after lake? That's right, I added a period. So today you're going to continue that. You're going to read through the sentences and you're just going to rewrite them, making sure that they have correct capitalization and punctuation at the end of it. Okay, so tomorrow is another professional development day for the teachers. So I will see you back for more review on Wednesday. Bye.